Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Face ID and adding a payment card. Do it now. Open Settings, set up Face ID with attention detection. This improves security and prevents accidental unlocks. Once done, open Wallet, tap the plus sign, scan or enter your card, and complete bank verification via SMS or banking app. Make sure a strong passcode is active and the device is updated to the latest operating system. This reduces errors when authenticating at checkout. When you pay, position your device for a clear face scan and act promptly. For contactless terminals, double-click the side button or select the Face ID payment option, then look at the screen. Face ID verifies liveness and matches your enrolled face. Hold the device near the terminal to allow NFC exchange and wait for the animation and audible tone. Make sure Bluetooth, NFC, or cellular is enabled if required by the merchant app. Otherwise, the transaction may stall. Finish by verifying the receipt and opening Wallet to confirm the transaction appears. If Face ID fails, immediately use your passcode to complete payment so you do not lose the sale. Then re-enroll Face ID in a well-lit, unobstructed setting. If problems persist, restart the device, toggle Face ID settings, remove and re-add the card, and ensure the OS is current. Contact your bank only if authorization errors continue. Often a quick re-enroll or update resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.